Boost your study skills, unleashing the power of memory retention. Introduction. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of memory retention and how it can revolutionize your studying experience. Improving your memory retention not only helps you excel academically but also equips you with the ability to recall and apply information effortlessly. Get ready to unlock your full learning potential with these powerful techniques. Let's jump right in. Absorb and understand information. When it comes to studying, we're often bombarded with vast amounts of information. But fear not. By improving your memory retention, you'll become a master at absorbing and comprehending material. You'll effortlessly grasp concepts, make connections, and identify those all-important key points. Ace exams and assessments. A strong memory is a secret weapon during exams and assessments. It enables you to recall information accurately and efficiently. Say goodbye to those nerve-wracking moments of blanking out. With enhanced memory retention, you'll effortlessly retrieve facts, formulas, definitions, and other essential details, paving the way for better grades. Building a strong foundation for lifelong learning. Memory retention is the foundation upon which new knowledge is built. By retaining what you've learned in the past, you create a solid platform for integrating new information. This fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter, making future learning a breeze. Time efficiency. Imagine being able to reduce the time spent on reviewing and relearning material. With improved memory retention, you can do just that. Effectively retaining information allows you to revisit and reinforce concepts more efficiently, saving you valuable study time. Enhanced problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Memory retention is a powerful ally when it comes to problem-solving and critical thinking. By retaining relevant facts, theories, and examples in your long-term memory, you can draw upon them to analyze and solve complex problems. This ability to recall information enhances your overall cognitive capabilities and sets you up for success. Apply knowledge in real-life situations. Memory retention goes beyond exams. It empowers you to apply knowledge in real-life scenarios such as work projects or personal pursuits. With a strong memory, you can confidently solve problems and make informed decisions, elevating your success outside the classroom. Now, let's explore some practical techniques to boost your memory retention for studying. Technique 1. Active engagement. Engage actively with the material by taking notes, summarizing key points, asking questions, and discussing concepts with others. Actively involving yourself in the learning process enhances memory formation and sets the stage for long-term retention. Technique 2. Spaced repetition. Bid farewell to cramming sessions. Embrace the power of spaced repetition, where you space out your study sessions over time. This technique reinforces memory consolidation and retention, allowing information to truly stick in your mind. Technique 3. Mnemonic magic. Unlock the potential of mnemonic devices. Utilize acronyms, visualization techniques, or creative associations to help you remember complex information. These mental hooks provide a fun and effective way to enhance recall. Technique 4. Chunk it down. Don't let overwhelming amounts of information discourage you. Break down large chunks into smaller, manageable pieces. By organizing information into meaningful groups, you'll find it easier to remember and retain the content. Technique 5. Practice retrieval. Challenge yourself with retrieval practice. Test your memory by recalling information without referring to your notes or textbooks. This technique strengthens memory and boosts long-term retention. Technique 6. Sleep soundly. Remember, adequate sleep is vital for memory consolidation. Make sure you prioritize sufficient sleep to support optimal cognitive functioning. A well-rested mind is